Well, today is the kickoff for Crime Prevention Week across Ontario, and it was hosted here at Toronto Police Headquarters. The reason for this is we want to make sure that the public is aware and understands the value of crime prevention in policing. Most importantly, the value of crime prevention it is to those personal lives that those people have. If they adhere to our crime prevention information, they take it to heart, they share that information, they can insulate themselves to protect themselves and their community from crime. And we know that a community without crime is a safer community. We know that that safer community is a better community. And that's a win-win for not only the Toronto Police and police across the province, but most importantly for the public. Well, this week the crime prevention theme is using information and technology in partnership with the crime prevention principles to ensure that we're not just using the old-fashioned methods of mainstream media, town halls, community meetings to get the crime prevention message out there, but we're also embracing the technology that we now have available to us through things such as social media, the internet itself, emails, SMS texting, anything that can help spread those messages of the crime prevention ideals and philosophies to help make people safer. Number one crime prevention message I would give is make sure that you go to our websites, follow us on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, watch for the information, because sometimes it's going to be bearing to you, other times it's not. But take that information and share it. That's the most important thing. We can give it all, but if it just stands there in space or just stands there on a newsstand, it doesn't do anything. It's when the people take it, they grasp it, they make it their own, and then they share it. That's when the power and the potential of crime prevention with technology is really understood.
And finally, I want to stress to you all, once again, the importance of recognizing that crime prevention is a shared responsibility. Everyone in every neighborhood has a responsibility to look out for their neighbors, to take the steps necessary to work with partnership with all of us, with the police, with our business community, with our schools, our community organizations, residents associations, and all who serve their community, to work together in partnership. Together, we can make a difference. And as we kick off Crime Prevention Week, let us remember that it is not just a slogan. It is not just a week of paying attention to crime prevention. It is a reminder that each and every day we share a responsibility to make a difference. It is with great pride that the police services across Ontario, under the leadership of the Ontario Association of Chiefs of Police, our police services boards, and with the support of our government, that together we are engaging with our communities and together we are making a difference. There is still a great deal of work to do. None of us should ever be complacent about what has been achieved, but we have demonstrated the power of partnership, and we have demonstrated that when we act proactively together, we can make a difference. And so as we kick off Crime Prevention Week, I commend you all for your effort, and I encourage you to continue in that work. We are making a difference. Every one of our neighborhoods must be places where people can live in safety and harmony and dignity, and where every young person can realize their full potential as a citizen. That's our commitment as the Police Services of Ontario. I know it's a commitment we share with those who provide us with civilian oversight through our Police Services Board, and a commitment we share with the provinces of Ontario, and a commitment we most certainly share in Toronto with our extraordinary community partners. Thank you very much.